Hey, so today I'll show you how to use Google Keep step by step in 2026. It's a super simple app to take notes, create lists, and organize your daily tasks, perfect for students, creators, or anyone who wants to stay organized. First, open Google. Keep on your phone or browser. You can use it on Android, iPhone, or even on your PC through Google. Next, tap the plus button to create a new note. You can type anything like ideas, reminders, or homework tasks. Now, tap the checklist icon to make to-do lists. This is perfect for daily tasks or shopping lists. Yeah, you can organize notes using colors and labels. It helps you quickly find important notes later. Now, you can also add images or voice recordings. This is great for capturing ideas fast. Yeah, set reminders so Google Keep notifies you at the right time. Perfect for deadlines or important tasks. Now, pin important notes to the top. You won't lose track of your most important tasks. Yeah, Google Keep syncs automatically with your Google account. You can access your notes anywhere. If you're done with a note, you can archive or delete it. It keeps your workspace clean and organized. So yeah, that's how you use Google Keep. It's simple, fast, and super useful for daily productivity. Thanks for watching.